Welcome to the Pfannenberg DTS 3021, 3031, and 3031 stainless steel cooling unit installation video. Prior to installation and operation of this unit, read the Installation Operation Manual completely. Reference the manual during installation. The power mains should be run. Follow all lockout and tagout procedures. Read the warnings on screen and in the manual. Any electrical work should be undertaken by a qualified electrician. Every unit will come with an accessory pack, including the items required to install your unit. The pack includes a parts list, sealing strips, fasteners, and a Wago plug for electrical connection. Let's get started. Step 1. Use the cutout template to cut the correct openings and drill the holes for the fasteners in the enclosure. The exact location is determined by your application. The template can be found at pfannenbergusa.com. Step 2. Apply the sealing strips around the perimeter of the unit. Apply all of the provided sealing strips. Step 3. Install the 2 included threaded rods, also called the locator pins. Thread them 1/3 of the way into the top 2 corner openings. These pins are used to hang the unit on the enclosure to allow installation of the remaining fasteners. Step 4. Hang the unit by aligning the locator pins with the holes on the enclosure. Secure the unit with the flat washer and hex head nut on the 2 locator pins. Step 5. Use remaining washers and bolts to fasten the unit using the remaining mounting holes. Tighten the bolts down until the seal insulation is compressed to half its thickness. Read the warnings on screen. Any electrical work should be undertaken by a qualified electrician. Step 6. Prepare the Wago connector supplied in the accessory pack by connecting the included jumper between point of connection number 1 and 2. Step 7. For proper operation, the door contact circuit needs to be closed. The included Wago plug is used. Terminal 1 and 2 are jumped out. Insert the Wago into the back of the unit. Step 8. You may need to adjust the set temperature, which is 95 degrees Fahrenheit, so that it's below the room temperature. Power on the unit. Fans and compressor should start with cool air blowing. Step 9. Time to confirm that the unit is operating. Step 10. Once cooling is confirmed, power off and reset the thermostat to 95 degrees, which is the recommended temperature for modern electronics. Congratulations, the installation is complete. If you need more information, find us at pfannenbergusa.com and look for the Service RMA section in the top menu, or email us at sales@pfannenbergusa.com. Thank you for watching.